This is going to be the Surveyor Legend 296 QBLE. This unit's going to have a dry weight of 6,806 pounds with a GVWR of 9,604 pounds. Hitch weight on this unit is 804 pounds. Length on this unit is 35 feet 1 inch. Freshwater capacity of 40 gallons, black water of 30 gallons, and gray water of 40 gallons. Awning length on this unit is going to be 21 feet. Hey guys, Jevon with RV Wholesalers here. Going to walk through another one of Surveyor Legend's units, the 296 QBLE. Looking forward to going through this unit with you. We'll start up here up front. You do get power tongue jack, and then they also give you a leash tie off for your pets. Nice and convenient there up front. We'll go right around here to the corner. Gives you a nice pass-through storage here with motion sensor lights. Those will be off until you're in there. And then Surveyor also gives you a nice little drill attachment here that's going to go on your jacks. Be able to do that rather than just crank them by hand. So that is nice. They do give you Greystone flat top grill there for you. That's going to go in the outside kitchen. We'll see here just in a minute as we continue down the outside of this unit. Nice awning here that covers both entrances into the unit. Your front entrance here is going to go into the bedroom, which we'll see here in a little bit. And then gives you outdoor speakers, awning length LED for you for some nice lighting out here, and your TV connections and outlet here for outside TV watching if you want. So here we are at the outside kitchen. Gives you a nice little small fridge there. Keep some beverages in, adult, kid, mixture of whatever. That way you don't have to go inside for it. Nice little slide out drawer here. And this is where that Greystone flat top is going to go that we showed you up in the front storage. So a nice little spot for that for you for some outside cooking. Around the back here gives you your roof ladder, and then they give you a nice little rack here for hauling, whatever. With the tire on there, that's going to give you a capacity of 150 pounds on that rear rack for you. You do get prepped for a rear view camera on this unit, and then Surveyor Legends also come prepped for solar for you as well. So here we are in the kitchen. Nice space in here. Get a nice little sink here. Again, cutting board covers on that. Nice deep sink for you. 3-burner stove, your oven, and then you get your microwave as well. Nice size fridge for you here. If I open it from the right side, that helps. Plenty of space for some food storage there for you. So. Beside that, you're going to have your entertainment area. Nice little TV for you, radio, connect via Bluetooth with your phone. And then you've got some storage under here, enough for some movies or whatever, or whatever else you deem you want to store in there. Across from the entertainment center, you're going to have your couch area here. That is also going to double as a hide-a-bed as well for you. And then your dinette. It's going to be your booth dinette here. And then, of course, that bed is going to, or table's going to lower. You can turn that into a sleeping area for you as well. So we'll go back here and look at the bunk area. Nice little space back here. It's going to give you, depending on the size of, kids, you could fit 4 or 2 adults back here. Nice little ladder here. Then you get entertainment center in here as well for the kids. So if they want to watch some TV before turning in for the night, get a TV here, got your USBs, and then great little storage spot here for clothes for them. They do really nice giving you some space for that. Do get a nice little pantry area here, and I'm going to move out of the way so you guys can take a look there. But some great space to store, you know, your foods or, you know, whatever else you want to put in there. But they give you a nice little storage space for that. All right, so here we are in the bathroom. This bathroom actually sits between the main bedroom and the living space. Gives a nice little buffer there, a little bit extra privacy for you. But gives you a nice little sink here. Gives you the medicine cabinet here, and again, you know, a nice spot for toothbrushes on that as well to hang over your sink here. Again, you know, the Surveyor Legend gives you the porcelain toilet. That is a nice little perk. A lot of the units go with the plastic RV toilets. They give you a nice little sturdy porcelain, so that is very nice as well. And then nice, decent sized shower for you. With a skylight, giving you know, guys like myself a little extra headroom, makes it really nice. And then a nice little shower curtain for you for some privacy as well, so that makes it nice as well. And then finishing that off, you'll see your panel here beside the sink for your water pump, water heater, and that kind of stuff there as well. Come on in here into the bedroom. Nice you know, space here. We do have the exterior entry door, so you've got your own entrance in and out of the camper for you. You know, if you happen to get up before the kids and you want them to sleep as long as possible, as I do, because when they're sleeping they're much less loud, you can go on out and not disturb them there. Gives you some great storage on both sides of the unit here with a drawer. You do get USB and regular outlets on both sides of the bed. And then a nice little storage shelf at the head of the bed on both sides, cup holder, whatever you might want there as well. Finishing off the bedroom here, you do get your TV backer on the wall here with your connections on the roof, or ceiling rather, for you to be able to put a TV in here for your entertainment back here. Again, kids may watch TV out there. You always want privacy, you can put a TV in here. So that is the Surveyor Legend, guys. Appreciate you going through it with me. Feel free to give us a call. Love the chance to answer your questions on this unit or any other unit. You can reach myself at extension 1000. Love the chance to go over everything with you, earn your business, and most importantly, get you out there camping. Have a great day, guys.